I'm so gonna revive Adagio Dazzle, because she was executed last week, and she was sent to head.
Yes. I'm alive again. Thank you so much for reviving me, Strawberry Shortcake.
Strawberry Shortcake. How dare you revived Adagio Dazzle.
She was divorced girl when he saw her singing her stupid songs and you can have that. We're going home now.
Strawberry-Shortcake. How dare you revive Adagio Dazzle. You know reviving is illegal of the graveyard.
That's it. You're grounded until you die. You will watch Shadowbolts-news at 7:30.
At Adagio Dazzle, you're grounded until your new song gets banned forever. Go to your room, and Strawberry-Shortcake, go home and go to bed now.
Let's go, Strawberry Shortcake. We'll take you to your home. This is your new home. We haven't put any stuff in here yet, so you will sleep on a sleeping bag in your bedroom, because I haven't installed the bed there.
Like Rainbow Dash told you before, go to your room, and sleep on a sleeping bag for your punishment.
I should have slept on a mattress where it's comfortable. My life sucks.
Created using Powtoon.